Yeah, for people that to start out that are fearful or that are not accustomed to the pain or not as gun ho, I started out just going really hard everything, but some people want to ease into it. So instead of just using the ball and push up against the wall and taking the pain, some people would like just start out with using your hand and just massaging the muscle that is knotted up. Okay, use your hand. You can control exactly how much, and it's your hand, so you can stop and wherever. And then just do this for a couple days, and then gradually go into the wall and self massage with the ball, because with your hand you can like control exactly how hard it is, and you can explore your muscles. Because you're still trying to know how the muscle works and how like what a knot is, how it feels like a knot feels like. So yeah, gradually ease into it with just massaging with your hand.